Hello all, welcome to Ambition. This is Savita. Today I want to share with you Oswal Books reviews for 10th ICSE, and I want to share with you some YouTube channels names which are really very good for you. Educators, those which are having these YouTube channels, are excellent. In that, first let's talk about Oswal Books. You will not believe that last year I purchased so many books, different kinds of books, and I wasted my money. I honestly want that you people should not waste your money. So for that, I am telling you which books are proper for you. See, many books we are purchasing, we are referring, but I think students, this is my experience after observing my son. I purchased so many books for him. What he used to say, "Mummy, which books I will read? Every time I cannot change." It's correct. You know, when something you are reading again and again, it gets fixed here. But if constantly you are changing that, then it will not fix here. So what should be done? So then I also got agreed with him, and I told him, whichever books you want, you can refer. He also liked Oswal books. Why? See, these Oswal books are having very good characteristics. In that, the first one is the syllabus is according to ICSE board. Second thing is that in that mind maps are there. When you go through them, whatever important points are there, you will come to know that. As your teachers are telling, or different educators are suggesting that when you are studying your chapters, they just tell you to make your notes. Here you will get ready-made notes, which through which you can go. Second thing is that after mind maps, revision notes. In this book, topic wise, chapter wise, you will get revision notes, which are very important, children. In that, all your objective type questions can be covered through this. Some extra questions also whichever coming. First thing, to I'm telling you refer your textbook. You must read your textbook, and then you can refer Oswal books. Revision notes are very important. There you will get all types of formulas, all types of important definitions, all important things related that topic you will get there. So you can revise it easily. Then question answers. Whichever questions were asked in previous board examinations are all covered there. Apart from that, whichever questions they feel important for that topic, that also they added. And one more important thing is that whatever their sample papers are there, those sample papers questions also they covered in that. So that is also important for you. It doesn't mean that in these books you will get only previous year's board questions. Actually, previous year's board questions only we have to practice. Whenever I watch so many YouTube videos for my son, how to get him prepared for the ICSE board examinations, so always I found that all the experienced educators, they used to say that we should refer previous year's board question papers. And I think they are right only. When I took his studies, I came to know that why it is important. So that's why these books are very important. I hope you must have understood. Then let me tell you which YouTube channels we watched and we liked very much. In that, the first one is physics wala, Alak Pandey sir. His physics and chemistry. The way he teaches physics numericals children, it will get fixed here. And if you will understand that, then you can solve physics numericals on your own. I know most of the students, they face problems regarding physics numericals, and that's why they don't like physics subject. But if you will watch Alak Pandey sir's videos regarding numericals also, then it will be easy for you. And the very important thing, let me share with you about light chapter. Light chapter concepts are explained very well by sir. Please you watch those YouTube channel videos, then you will understand what I'm telling you. Please go through that just to get your concepts clear. Then notes though are available in your Oswal books. Chemistry, sir teaches chemistry also very well. The way he teaches, we don't get scared of chemistry. And suppose in first attempt you are not understanding, watch his YouTube videos again and again, at least 2-3 times, then you will definitely understand what he taught in that. His language is very easy, he explains very well. So I think you have to watch this YouTube videos. Then second thing about the maths. For maths, we referred Ankit sir's channel Mathadard. He explained maths very well. I suggest you please refer Ankit sir's YouTube videos also for mathematics subject. You know, ICSE maths is very fast and it needs a lot of practice. So concept should get clear here, so you can solve all the sums on your own. I am damn sure about it. You know, I spent 40,000 rupees when my son was in 8th standard class. For what? I purchased one e-app for him. Let me tell you, my 40,000 rupees got completely wasted. It was not useful. So that's why I'm telling you which e-app or e-learning platform is good for you, which I found last year. That I didn't purchase. The videos are available free on YouTube platform. So the name of that e-learning platform is Vedantu. Vedantu is really a very good e-learning app. First, let me tell you frankly, nobody told me to promote them, either Vedantu or all the teachers whose names I took. But I think that I'm a simple person, I'm a middle class person. So I think that like me, so many middle class persons are there, those who want to save their money, and rather than that, they want good books, good content, good teachers for their child. So sometimes after paying lakhs of rupees also, we never get that. Why? Because we are not aware about them. So here I'm trying to do that only. So I'm not promoting them. They didn't tell me to promote. But let me tell you, last year, these channels really helped me a lot. And even they don't know about it. Like that, so many people like us are there. Those who might have got benefited last year. I really want to thanks to them. From Vedantu platform, let me tell you which educators videos we referred. So for that, physics Abhijit sir, then for bio Ambika ma'am, then for maths Gopal sir. You can refer this also.